much difference can a light bulb make? That's what I want to find out. So I'm in my garage, a pretty classic place to have under illuminated. And I have a 13-watt fluorescent bulb on the ceiling. And then I have 2 bulbs in my actual garage door opener assembly. And that's it. You know what? At night, it's pretty dark in here. We don't really come in very often. Enter this. This is the Sansi 27-watt LED bulb, and this is some crazy bright bulb. This thing issues 4,000 lumens and is the equivalent of a 250-watt incandescent bulb. What I'm going to do is I'm going to replace the one 13-watt bulb I have now with 4 of these 27-watt bulbs, and then let's see how much brighter it is. But before we get there, let me come just a little bit closer and let me tell you a little bit about it. And I know the lighting is kind of weird, but that's kind of the point, right? So these are pretty heavy. They're 4,000 lumens, 148 lumens per watt. That's extraordinarily efficient. And they have them, these are at 5,000 Kelvin. That's the temperature. So what that means is that this is going to be very white. They also have 3,000 Kelvin, which is a little more of a sort of a yellowy orange, but for the garage, I want a nice bright white color. Like I said, they replace 250-watt incandescent bulbs, and they have, you ready for this, a 25,000-hour lifespan. That means if you have them on for 3 hours a day, every single day, they're going to last over 22 years. Pretty nice. They also are 270-degree omnidirectional. So when it's up and illuminated, everything's going to be illuminated. It's not a more directional bulb. And again, that's really exactly what I want in a basement, an attic, a crawl space, obviously here in the garage. Now, this isn't necessarily a good bulb for indoors because you can't use it in enclosed fixtures because of the heat dissipation. They're not dimmable. But they do have a standard E26 base, so anytime or any fixture you have that takes a regular bulb can take one of these. All right, that's enough talking about these bulbs. Let's go ahead and put them in the light directly above my head. Then I'll come right back and we'll see just how much brighter it is. I am thinking I might need sunglasses, but we'll see how it goes. Wow, those are so much brighter. They're so bright that I don't want to look directly at them because I feel like I'll mess my eyes up. So that's great. Now, I don't know if you can tell, it might give me some fairly harsh shadows because it's just all the light is coming from one direction. But this is the old bulb. This little 13-watt was just not rocking compared to these beautiful 27-watt LED bulbs. And they're super interesting looking bulbs too because they are an array of individual LEDs. As you can see in these close-ups, they really look completely different to that sort of classic incandescent bulb like Thomas Edison invented with this vacuum inside the glass, right? Totally different approach. Now, again, these are great. They draw incredibly little power. They're going to last forever. I'll never have to change these bulbs effectively because I'm not in the garage for 3 hours a day. They have a 25,000-hour lifespan. Very nice. Now, having said that, and I will again reiterate the limitations, is that they're not dimmable. You can't use them in enclosed fixtures, and they are super bright. So they're not dimmable, and you don't want to just use them as is anywhere where you might be looking at the bulb, because I promise you, you will get that afterglow on your retina. It is not going to be pretty. But super nice. Now, they are kind of expensive. So, these sort of bulbs, honestly, they're just a couple of bucks now. They're so common, kind of ugly looking, but pretty common, right? These, the Sansi 27-watt LED bulbs, are a lot more expensive. But hey, just before I get to the price, let me ask if you can subscribe to my channel. I get hundreds of companies from around the world sending me stuff to experiment and test out and try, and I'm super honest. I'll show you the good and the bad and tell you all about it. So click on that subscribe button. Really appreciate that. Okay, so those lights that are above my head that I am not holding are the Sansi 27-watt LED bulbs, and they are $49.99 per pair on Amazon. So they're about 25 bucks a bulb. So the 4 bulbs that I put in here are $100 worth of lights. But you know what? I love the fact that I will like go grow old and move out of this house and those bulbs will still be just chugging away. So fantastic, really, really nice. If you have a spot where you really need illumination so you can get, like in my garage, a nice illumination everywhere and not have any spots where you're like, I wish it was a little brighter, then this is a rockin' way to go. And I say, check them out. They've come a long, long way with LED bulbs, and this kind of stuff is really cool. And with that, I'm going to finish sweeping up my garage, which means I'll catch you in my next video.